just at the back of the building, there is a water spigot and some ice machines. So welcome to Colter Bay Village. We're staying in a cabin tonight, and I'm going to give you a little tour. We've just got our key from the desk. It locks automatically, so yeah, let's see what it's all about. Welcome to Colter Bay. We're here at cabin 219. We've just checked in and got the key. So apparently it's an automatic lock on the door. Let's see what it's like inside. See if I can actually make this work. Not that one. This one. There's a light switch. Here we go. So first when you come in, you've got a heater just here. And then on the wall, there's 2 sets of towels, flannels. And there's like a desk, there's a hairdryer, toilet paper, more towels, a pen, an ice bucket, and some animal safety awareness. And there's a nice little curtain. That's our view outside, but we'll close that up. And we have a nice little chair and luggage rack, a nice double bed. There's a light with a fan. Not that we need it right now. There's an alarm clock over on this side with plug outlets here in the lamp as well, which is really cool. And a little Bible in a drawer. There's also USBs on the alarm clock. So there's an outlet and 2 USBs just there. So that's quite decent. You can see all the wood detailing up top. There's some information about Colter Bay Cabins. So the cabin was built in the 1930s. Really, really interesting. And then just down here, there's another lamp with more outlets. There is a tea and coffee station here. So there's creamers, coffee, tea, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, and a Keurig. It's like being at Disney. And then we have the drawers as well. So you've got 2 thin drawers and 2 big drawers, as well as another seat. So that makes 2 seats and another little cute window. So I'll just pan back and show you the room again. So it's pretty basic, but for $300 a night in the heart of a national park, you probably can't get a as good location without camping for the price. But we have camped here before, and that was also really cool. Tomorrow I'll show you all of the facilities here. The bathroom, if you're wondering, is not in the cabin, so there's a shared bathroom just outside. And then for showers as well, it's shared, which is not ideal, but hey, if it's just for a night or 2, it's like glamping, I guess, and it's really cute. So yeah, we'll let you know how our stay was. So I'll just give you a quick tour of the men's. So there is a urinal, and there is a shower. There's also a linens bin, a towel rail, 2 sinks, a cubicle for privacy, and this is like a storage cupboard, I think. Here's the shower, and in the shower there's all the things you could need: shampoo and soap. So we've just checked out. It was a really simple process of just return the key and say your cabin number, and that was that. In terms of the review of staying there, it was really rustic, it was really cool, the aesthetic was amazing, but it was super noisy. You could hear, so that the cabin backed on to another cabin, and then there was another cabin next door. So I think it was 4 of us that were using the restrooms, and it was really noisy. You could hear every word they said, you could hear zips on bags. So it was like an intimate camping experience almost. So I would say if you are like gonna stay there, I'd bring earplugs. I wish I did, because I think it would have meant I had a better sleep. However, the facilities were great. We used the shower and bathroom this morning, and it was all good: hot water, soap, shampoo, everything. And I'm just gonna have a little look now in the general store, and I'll just show you what's available here. There is a pizzeria, but that's actually closed for the season, so I think that's just July and August. But I'll show you what they have in the shop. So the supermarket has everything: milk, meats for sandwiches, veg,